If you are considering buying custom t-shirts, consider all the options at your disposal. You need to think about everything you can do with the shirts you order and how these different changes will affect the final cost and order response time. Those who are buying their personalized t-shirts need to consider all the variables. These variables are the most important to consider, as they represent the most substantial part of the cost of the shirt customization process. When creating your shirt, you have full control over the colors of your shirt. You can control the actual color of the shirt itself by choosing a sweater that is the color you want, or low-cut white shirts to create the color you want. You can also control the color of the design you wear on the shirt. You can choose the right color or select multiple colors for a more complex and exciting look. If you need shirts with only words, you still have a high level of customization available. You can easily change the type of font used in words on the shirt and also change the font size and color, creating a unique shirt that meets all your personalization needs. The design of your shirt is essential to take into account, as it is what gives the shirt exclusivity and individuality. Although colors and fonts are a vital part of the overall design of the t-shirt, they are not the only aspects of the design as a whole. You can easily choose signs, symbols, images, and other creations for your shirt to give it a unique look you are looking for. When making your shirts, you can put individual names on them. If you are creating shirts for a group, you can set each individual's last names on the back of each shirt. Nicknames can also be added to shirts for a unique personal touch. While this option is not required, it offers a fun way to personalize the shirt for everyone in a group or team. If you're getting personalized t-shirts, you need to know precisely what you want to create. You want to be sure to see the t-shirt design, the colors, and fonts needed for the t-shirt and the level of customization necessary for the t-shirt before placing your final order. Custom t-shirts are a simple and easy way to get the look, feel, and exact message you need on a t-shirt. Take all your options into account to create the perfect custom t-shirt for your needs.